Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel with your power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. Storage compartment along the bottom with cup holder. Black cloth seats with power controls on the side. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking brake as well as several different driving modes and some interior and exterior lighting controls. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings as well as your forward collision alert and heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your voice recognition as well as directional controls to control the driver information screen in front of you. This will have your speedometer, the music you're listening to, navigation, phone settings, if you want to connect via Bluetooth, as well as several different customizable settings for the display itself. The entertainment center has your audio. This will have FM, AM, and Sirius XM radio, navigation, your phone settings if you're connected via Bluetooth, cameras that you can look through, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Below that, you'll find your settings for lane departure warning, as well as auto stop and your power liftgate, as well as some other controls, including your hazards and traction control. Dual zone climate control. This is where you're going to find your heated seats, as well as temperature gauge and fan speed, as well as a USB Type-C outlet on the right, trailer brake controller, and the push button to start on the left. The center console has dual cup holder at the front, as well as a couple of storage compartments throughout. You can go ahead and open up the center console and gives you extra space underneath. Looking up top, you have your rear view mirror, of course, as well as a couple of interior lighting controls on the roof. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Summit white paint, black GMC emblem on a black grille along the front, black accent along the bottom of the front bumper with your front recovery hooks, LED headlamps, black gloss aluminum wheels, black assist step, all the way down the side of the vehicle down to the rear door. Black mirror caps, blind spot mirror on the front, paint matched door handles with keyless entry. Moving all the way to the back of the vehicle, you have your corner step rear bumper, along with another black GMC emblem above a chrome Sierra nameplate here. Open up the tailgate, several different cargo tie-down locations, as well as onboard power on the right-hand side and an LED lamp so you can see easier at night or in the dark. And the easy lift and lower tailgate makes it super easy to open and close at any time. And last but not least, we're going to take a look at the interior in the rear of the vehicle. You've got that same jet black finish on the door panel with your storage compartment along the bottom. Magazine holders on the back of the driver and passenger seat. You have the same cloth seating in the back, as well as in-seat storage, which you can open that up. Dual cup holders fold down from the center, giving you 2 cup holders for your rear passengers. You can fold that away, lift up the seats, and you get access to your under-seat storage, which can store a lot more stuff underneath here. At the front, or back of the center console, I should say, you have your 3-prong outlet next to a USB and Type USB-C outlet. And of course, you have your HVAC air vents for your rear passengers. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.